my first morning here in New Jersey, and it's a beautiful day. I am shooting for about 23 miles today. It was supposed to be 16, but I didn't feel very well yesterday. I was just super hungry all day. I could not get enough food. I'm thinking I'm not getting the calorie intake I need to be. I got lucky this morning though, and some very gracious people gave me some leftover breakfast that was killer. It was bacon, eggs, sausage, potatoes. So greatly appreciated, because I had only done 2 miles this morning and felt really shaky and crummy. And I'm still kind of recovering. I'm moving slow now, probably just mostly from being full, but I think I'll get my energy back. So anyway, I got to weigh myself for the first time since Angel's Rest this morning, and I am 128 pounds. So I started the trail probably at 145, 46. So I've lost a substantial amount of weight since I've been out here. And I just so happen to be hungry enough. I'm totally down to eat these. My body's like anything. I feel like Survivor right now. Yummy. I'm like falling all over the place. I definitely need more calories. I have to admit, it's pretty cool to see a state from the inside out that you've never been to before. I've never been to New Jersey, and I have always thought of it as being just city. And as you can see, it obviously isn't. So in posting one of my videos the other day, I realized I had called a berry a huckleberry that wasn't a huckleberry. Because I was just waking up, but I don't want anybody to eat the wrong berries. So there was some red berries I had zoomed in on and called them huckleberries, because on the West Coast, our huckleberries look like this, only red. So I'm picking huckleberries here that I'm eating this morning. And huckleberries here on the East Coast, or at least in New Jersey and Pennsylvania, are black or blue. They look like blueberries. And on the West Coast, they are this exact same size, only a brilliant red pink color like those last ones I was zooming in on. And those berries are actually, I forget what they're called, I think it starts with an L, but they are poisonous mildly. They taste so crummy that you wouldn't probably eat more than one anyway. Just came up on this tower. What do you say we go up there? Let's go check it out. And they're shaky. This is some high quality building materials they've used here. Little padlock. This is still a really neat view. There's my monkey down there. I am currently headed that way. Woohoo! Very high. Look how pretty that is down there. Not sure if I'll be getting any closer, so I figured I'd do a little shot right here. did come out a little closer to it. Some crazy big bug, dragonflies. Oh, I even get to walk through it. The butterfly is not edible, but it's sitting on what's called Queen Anne's lace. And you can tell Queen Anne's lace because of that little purple flower in the center. And you can eat its root. It's actually a wild carrot. I pulled this one out here. But you gotta be careful because it has a lookalike that's very poisonous. So if you don't see that little tiny purple flower in the center there, you better not eat it. I'm totally off the trail right now, snooping around this interesting area. Because look, there's like a green patch in the middle. That must be where a little bit of water is left. And these rocks are polka dotted, Dalmatian rocks. But this must have been all covered in water. Desolate land. Water. Need to find water. I like New Jersey because they have big purple rocks.